In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a DeepSeek account with this full 2025 guide. First, open your browser and go to the official DeepSeek website. On the home page, click the Sign Up or Create Account button. Now, choose how you want to register, either by using your email address, Google account, or other available options. If you're signing up with email, enter your email address, create a strong password, and click Next. You may receive a verification code in your email, so open your inbox, copy the code, and paste it back into the DeepSeek sign up page. Once verified, fill in any required profile details like your name or username, then click Finish or Continue to complete the setup. And after that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard where you can start using DeepSeek right away. So that's it.